Obwa hato muhendo gw'abantu abafiire gwahikana na bashatu bwanyuma yo kutahirwa kubireho aha cyaro cya Nyabugando ya kabiri omuri Mpondo Rubiriha Town Council omuri Kasese district.
The woman who has been under intensive care treatment at the hospital has just passed on at 3 in the afternoon. The patient had severe head injury, and of course this patient was supposed to have been transferred to Mulago, but the doctors advised that we cannot be able to shift her from here. She would not make it along the way, so they opted to first stabilize her so that she can be able to move. Unfortunately, she has not been able to make it.
Bambare nagira ngo bwa hati basigazo mu ruiro omwe owabinazi batemereho engaro.
We are left with that with Mumbere Godwin, the guy who was shot in the arm, in the hand. Basically, that one is progressing well, and we are sure he will make it.
Used axes and hammers to break the door. Before that, they threw a bomb inside our dormitory because they failed to open the door. I was the first student who saw that bomb.
UPDF still continues to follow them, and we are in the bushes there, and we are so sure that soon we are going to catch up with a number of them, and we think so far it has been a good effort. The only thing that we pray from Ugandans, especially the people in Kasese here and Bondwe, is that everybody should be alert.
Omugandi abatura ba Katikara om district ya Kakomero batahirirwa abazgu abatakamanyurwe batemerias mugume omushomesa wa Benta High School bamwita kandi Agren Wagaba bamusigana guharitaka
bezirisha mukagomwe mukaga necweka nawe rabantu bari kutago mukanisa na terato ayigure dirisa na terato cinti nare abashije abashatu bari kwiruka barengera umwana kuza kwigororweje nashanga abantu babiri babatemagura bari kujwerana umujyaho babiri harimo umwegesa kurga aha Benita High baramwita mugumera kandi yanaruga bugambe
neki gikorwa kibi munonga kureba ngo ntika kucanga ntferwa abantu bitu kwika extent yo kushanga umuntu na itorwa umukanisa
no kushasha kwinja bo kureba ngo babasize kutahirira kanisa kandi babaza kutema abantu.
Ekikorwa cy'obwinaze eki kibira ha kanisa ya Katikara Church of Uganda omu busenta bwa Katikara omu kiro shaha mushanju.
Naimuka bwangu najya kanisa usanga umusigazi Elias Mugume natalibana ali omubihuta ekyute kyamani habikya bamutemere kandi esagama eri nyingi atakyasobola kukenga
kakumiro omuze guno kubere gutalimu kubaire twine emize ya mukazi musaija bakutemanga no maka gabo bayine ebintu byabo ebikubato domestic violence na yabantu besoro izo bali omukanisa bakusaba bakwesenisa ruwanga wabo ni muruga kuli ni mwijani mbarumbagana ni mwijani mbatema echo nyino kumanya ngo mukama tajja kurikiriza bintu bya mulingo nko.
Ekikorwa eki cyabaho atakahwireho bwire buringwa abahekera ba ADF bahereze kutahira ishomero rya Mpondo Rubiriha aho basigira abantu barukurengana na bashatu bafiire gasha kwa Gilbert Mahangzi na Niwagaba Katoto.